कल से पक्का पढ़ाई शुरू. Good morning, everyone. Exams don't just test what we know, they test how we feel, how we think, and how we handle pressure. Today, we are here to talk about something that every student experiences, and that is exam pressure. Because no matter how different we are, one thing is common. कल से पक्का पढ़ाई शुरू. To begin our discussion, I would like to invite our student panel to share their thoughts. Let's make it simple. How do you feel one day before exams?
So first of all, let me start with the truth that everyone forgets one day before the exam. It is that the student you are today is not defined by the score you will get tomorrow. Most of the students think that their entire future is dependent on their few hours, but that is not the true. Every student has own capabilities, that they have their own potential about doing something. It is not that every exam is a real result of one's capabilities. Now the question was, what I do one day before the exam? It's a very stressful day, that we all know it. Going through the syllabus, revising all the concepts, and after that there is even questions in our mind that what if the questions will be asked from the chapter, or what I have not studied yet. What I think is the key to this problem is that we should be calm, we should calmly do all the things, and at last we should take a proper sleep, because our brain tends to remember things when it is fully relaxed. In confusing state, our brain will not remember anything. So in my opinion is that we should take a proper sleep, and that depends upon the preparation. If one has prepared throughout the session, he will be very confident at the last day. But if he has not done anything, that is his headache, that he will not be able to do all that at the last day.
Now let's look at this from another angle. What stresses you the most? Fear of marks, parents' expectations, or time management?
Yeah. Honestly, I think it isn't just one thing. It's a mix of few things. Like one of the most basic things that a student, while he is a topper or a backbencher, he feels is the fear of exams. Like thinking about that and wondering all the time, all the all the hard work, all the consistency, and all the sacrifices that we have made for that particular exam, will it actually reflect in the results, or will that be just in vain? That's exactly what is in the student's mind at that particular time. Another important thing is about time management. Like, my exams are approaching next week. I'm in complete stress. I don't have anything to study. My concepts aren't cleared. I have many subjects to remember. And what happens at that particular time, everything accumulates and it piles up. So what a student does, he is in a really problematic situation and he thinks, how can I exactly manage my time properly? That's a really problematic situation for, I think, every particular student. But I think the solution to this, as mentioned by my friend before, is consistency. Like, if a person is consistent from day one, I don't think he should be dependent or she should be dependent on the last particular day. Like, man, it's his or her headache, like he hasn't prepared for all over the year and he is now dependent on the last day. That's his problem. But what I suggest you people is, don't take too much pressure now. One piece of paper really can't decide your future. But the hard work and the consistency and all the sacrifices that you have put in for that particular exam, it will definitely define your future. And one of the most famous things that every particular student always talk about, it is the parents' expectations. Being completely honest with you, I think in this case I'm really lucky, because my parents, they don't put some unnecessary kind of stress on me regarding being the best in the class, having the highest marks, or being the topper of the class. What they assure is, are all the concepts of particular subjects being cleared in the class, and am I putting all the genuine efforts for that particular exam? And being honest, that's the only thing that is in our hand. We should leave the other part of this particular problem to the Almighty. That's my opinion regarding this. Thank you.
I definitely agree with you on this point. Now let's move towards our last student and hear her perspective. Studying all night before exams will fetch you more marks. Is it a myth or a reality?
It is definitely a myth. Honestly, I think studying all night before an exam is one of those habits that feels productive, but it's actually completely misleading. At that moment, we think, I'm completing more, I'm doing more, but the thing is, our brain isn't a machine. It needs proper rest to actually remember anything. So, when we skip sleep, that productive night quickly turns into a performance nightmare. And honestly, by morning, we aren't students anymore. We are just confused zombies walking into the exam hall. We sit there thinking, I studied this, but where did it go? So, as per my opinion, success doesn't come from staying awake all night. It comes from giving your mind the rest it needs to perform at its best. Now, there would be definitely a question that it depends on the person's chronotype, whether he or she is an early bird or a night owl. But it doesn't mean that they don't sleep at all. It just means that they sleep at a different time. So, according to me, proper sleep before an exam is must to excel in your examination and to score colors.
So, what we learned today is exam stress is normal, but it should not control us. Proper planning, breaks, and a positive mindset can make a big difference. Remember, exams are just a part of life, not the whole life. Do your best, stay confident, and take care of your mental health.